Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also welcome all the new viewers today who are watching. So as y'all see from the title, we're about to pack up just a few pieces of my apartment. We're moving soon, but not this month. So I just want to go ahead and start clearing out things that I no longer need, because I know I'm not going to take all of these things with me. So please be sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so as y'all can see, these are my old clothes from my old apartment. These are the ones that are old, and I thought I was going to wear them, but I never wore them this whole year. So I'm going to either throw away some of these and give some of them away. So I'm going to throw those away. So my closet is nearly finished. I'm going to continue putting more of my clothes on these hangers. I'm going to come back when I'm finished with the rest of these clothes. The reason why I have little clothes right now, this is like all I have, because before I moved in, I also threw away some other clothes as well, because I want to start over on my clothes anyway when I step into my new beginning or new season.
home. Home auto, and it's in trouble. I can't just sit here and do nothing. That's all I've ever done. That's all anyone in this blasted ship has ever done. Nothing.
On the axiom, you will survive.
I don't want to survive. I want to live.
Okay, y'all, so we're about to try these new products that I just showed y'all in the beginning of the video. Focus, please. Focus, camera, focus. Excuse me. I'm gonna try the cleanser, the oil, and the moisturizer. So these are customized to my specific skin type. So we're about to try it. Like, why not? I hope it don't break me out because I've been working really hard on my skin. And I don't really want anything bad to happen. So let's go ahead and try the cleanser first. It's in a nice matte bottle. Oh, okay, so it's white. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it can lather really good in the hands. Not really. Is this even a cleanser? Let me get some more. Probably it don't foam in the hands like how other cleansers are. It kind of feels like lotion, to be honest. Like, look at it. I guess you just put it on like lotion, like because like I've never used a cleanser like this. It's so strange. So far so good. My skin feels really soft and it feels not dry. So next we're about to put on this serum. It smells like flowers. It feels good though. It makes my skin feel like silk. Now what we have next, the moisturizer, is really nice. I like the container. It looks really clean. It feels like all of these three products go well together. Like it's all like working together as a team. Like, let's go team. My skin feels hydrated, it feels soft, it feels silky, it feels all of that. Okay, so this is like 30 minutes after I just used that facial cleanser, right? This one right here, incredibly too much fragrance. Like, so I finally got that jelly filled donut that everyone was talking about. I forgot what vlog that was, but it's the vlog with the donut in the thumbnail. But I finally got the raspberry filled donut from Krispy Kreme. Yes, I actually went to the gas station to heat these up because y'all, it was cold. I couldn't eat these. They're really good.